Unit 1. Hello. Vocabulary. Hello, everyone. I'm Renee. It's nice to see you again in this lesson. You often say, "How are you?" to greet someone. Today, let's learn to say, "How are you?" and the ways to respond to this question. Are you ready?
Yay!
Here we go. When we meet someone, after saying hello, we often say, "How are you?" as a way of greeting. How are you? Hello, Hua. How are you? Hi, Ming. How are you? How are you? Listen. How are you? How are you? Hello, class. How are you? I hope you're good. When someone asks you, "How are you?" they're asking about how you are feeling. So, if you're okay, you can say, "I'm fine." Fine. 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 I'm fine. F-I-N-E. Fine.
How are you, Renee?
I'm fine. Saying thank you is seen as the most polite way to respond to an act of kindness. Thank you. You say thank you to show that you are grateful to somebody. So when someone asks you, "How are you?" don't forget to say thank you. Thank you, Alex. Thank you, Anna. Listen. Thank you. Thank you.
How are you, Renee?
I'm fine, thank you. Sometimes, instead of saying thank you, you can shorten the sentence by saying thanks. Thanks.
How are you?
Oh, fine, thanks.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thanks. Listen. Thanks. T-H-A-N-K-S. Thanks. Well, that's the end of the lesson for today. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.